Assalamualaikum. This is Abdullah Siam. My ID number 192354662. I presented to Mr. Nurujjaman Faruqi sir, lecturer, Department of the Software Engineering at JIU, and he is the best machine learning teacher in Bangladesh. Now I would like to talk about JavaScript data types. Every programming language has its own way of representation data. In programming, data types are an important concept. To be able to operate on variables, it is important to know something about the type. JavaScript has dynamic types. This means that the same variable can be used to hold the different data types. Let's discuss each one of them in detail. There are two main types of data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. First, primitive data types are string, number, boolean, undefined and null. And non-primitive data types are object, array and function. Number. Number represents the integer and floating numbers. Numbers in JavaScript store as 64-bit float and can be manipulated using the built-in operation. Then string. The string data types is used to represent textual data or a series of characters. Strings are created using single or double quotation, the surrounding one or the more characters. Then Boolean. This data type represents the logical entities. Boolean represents one of the two values, true and false. Then undefined. The undefined data types represent value that is not assigned. If a variable without a value has the value undefined. Then null. In JavaScript, null is a special value that represents empty or unknown value. Then non-primitive data type. Object. An object is a complex data type that allows to the store collection of data. JavaScript objects are written with the curly brace. Object properties are written as name, the value pairs and separated by comma. Then array. JavaScript array is an object that represents a collection of similar type of element. Then function. JavaScript functions are used to perform the operation. We can call JavaScript function many times to reuse the code. A JavaScript function can be defined using the function keyword. That's all about the JavaScript data types. Thank you.